Hello, how are you? Fine, excellent. Do you know what? It's time for grammar. Here we go. Open your book to page 82, language. Okay. Verb tenses, regular past tense review. I hope that you already watched the video. Okay. If the verb ends with an E, add D. Examples: complete, completed, liked, liked. Okay, it's time to put in practice what we have learned. Circle the correct past tense form of each verb. Invite, love, change, baked, liked. Okay, I know that you did a great job. If you need assistance, please let me know by email or by platform. And remember, happiness is vacation. Have a nice day. Goodbye. Bye bye.